Yes, am I speaking to doctor? Okay, I have my daughter here. She's not feeling too good. Could you come over as soon as possible? Hey, sweetie, I just called the doctor and we're gonna be here in a little bit, okay? Let's watch some TV. So what do you want to watch, sweetie?
Did someone call the doctor?
Yeah, sure. Come on in. Well, we have the doctor here, so it's going to be okay. What's all of that?
My doctor stuff.
Oh, okay.
And my doctor.
Oh. Well, that's kind of unconventional.
I know. Okay, let's see what's going on. Put these on. Lay back, please. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take an x-ray. I need you to take a deep breath. You can let it out. This is for no particular reason. I feel better. Looks like my job is done.